Okay, here we are at my little work table. Today we had, I had lunch with Jim Egner, TK560 on Etsy, the 3D printing master, and he brought a hell of a Christmas box. And let's start with a couple of items he's been working on 3D printing, and it's a mummy sarcophagus that he is printing. Comes off, and it just already looks like it's inked the way it's been printed. It looks so good. You notice the beard. Well, that's number one. And here's part two. It's a little bit longer, but another version of the sarcophagus. Also with the beard. Everything's raised. It's just gorgeous. His settings on his 3D printer are so tight. You can barely tell. There's hardly any lining or anything. There's some, chattering around the head, but otherwise, God, look how smooth that is. Okay, that's part two. Put those there. Okay, the next part is, that is an 30 caliber tripod, and it's 3D printed, and it's incredible. I mean, and what has come with this is he's able to take a Cotswold M60, and it's got this little thing on it, which I didn't know at first what that was, but Cotswold, they're great pieces, but he's come up with this piece, which is an adapter for an M60, and it snaps in. I'm not going to snap it right now, but it snaps in on the barrel. But what this is, the adapter, because I carried this in Panama for the M60. They didn't change them. The T&E mechanism fits right here, that it goes on the back side of it, but this is made as an adapter for the M60. Okay, so we got that going. And then that little tab right there is apparently, I took a GI Joe plastic ammo box. And when you close it down, it's got a little gap right there, right? Well, that will fit. It's got a little bump on the outside there, so that when you clamp down with this part, the ammo box will stay mounted on that. Well, if you can get the tab to not fall off. See how that did that? So, that goes in there like this. Snap that on. If I can get it to not pull out, it'll hang on there. So I'll figure that out later. But that little adapter to go in the 30 caliber tripod is just brilliant. Okay. So let's set all that aside. That's freaking amazing. And the next thing I have is a design that me and Jim worked on. And what I did was, I got a little laser pointer. Beep. I don't know if you see that on the thing. But I got it's a little 2¼ inch long 5 inches wide, but this little adapter with the pistol handling trigger will fit on there. Click. Maybe a little piece of glue or something in there, but it will then become a little laser pistol. And they come in all different colors off of. It has both a flashlight and a laser pointer. And these are AE3 battery sized. I should have put something out here that was darker so I could flash up against it. And these little buggers come off and they fit. They're wonderful for making little laser pistols, for little pew-pews. Alright, and I've got actually, this comes from one of the World Peacekeepers kits. And I might turn it into like a scoped pistol. Pretty neat. Those things are the coolest thing ever. It's just so simple and fits right on one of the laser pointers you can get off of Amazon. I've been keeping them in a little ammo box that my father made when he had his little woodworking shop. There is one more thing that I have to dig out an old big trapper, because Jim has made a big trapper cage that he's 3D printed that is just, I can't wait to get this thing on there. I've been wanting to build my big trapper. And he also has sent me, he gave me an open cab top for my mobile support vehicle. And I just love this thing. It's gonna look so good on the mobile support vehicle. I already have the wing door, like with the DeLorean doors, on mine. Like a lot of people, I got rid of that. Yeah. And there's one more item that I will make another video of. But, I mean, just the two biggies. That adapter for the M60 machine gun. And that pew-pew pistol adapter for the laser pointer. That is so cool. And I have fit this in holsters, like a rubberized holsters that you can get on all kinds of figures. You see how it's got the flashlight and the laser on the end. And I just love this. This is neat. Anyway, that's what I got for, almost 90% of it. I got a little bit more I want to show off, but it'll come later.